Author, Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss economist and blockchain specialist. As the allure of decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, grows, it becomes vital to create them in a manner that ensures they are robust, democratic, and capable of self-preservation. This guide provides a systematic approach to establishing a DAO with solid governance mechanisms and protective measures. Defining the DAO's purpose and constitution. Start by outlining the purpose, mission, and vision of the DAO. What problem is it aiming to solve? Who are its stakeholders? Once this is clear, establish a constitution for the DAO. This should detail the fundamental principles and rules governing the DAO's operation, including immutable decisions that cannot be overturned. Token distribution. Decide on a token distribution model that is equitable. Consider approaches like airdrops, mining, or staking, ensuring the model is aligned with the DAO's purpose. Take measures to prevent significant token accumulation by any single entity. Establish voting rights and processes. Define the voting rights of token holders and how voting processes will occur. Consider whether to implement quadratic voting, delegative voting, or a hybrid model, ensuring voting power is balanced and democratic. Set up governance structure. Establish the DAO's governance structure. Decide on whether to use a simple majority rule, a council model, a hybrid model, or some other form of governance. Consider implementing randomized voting committees for specific decisions. Incorporate quorum requirements. Introduce quorum requirements to ensure a minimum level of participation in decision-making. This could be a percentage of total token supply or a percentage of total members. Implement emergency mechanisms. Put in place emergency governance mechanisms, like multi-signature requirements for crucial decisions or a pause function to temporarily halt certain activities in case of malicious actions. Develop voter incentivization strategies. To encourage active participation, introduce incentives for voters. These could be in the form of token rewards, reputation points, or other benefits. Conversely, consider penalties for those who consistently abstain from voting. Set up regular auditing and community oversight. Establish a process for regular auditing of treasury transactions and activities. This could involve the community or a trusted third party and helps ensure transparency and trust. Consider legal entity status. Depending on the DAO's purpose and jurisdiction, consider whether becoming a legal entity would be beneficial. This could offer additional protection by subjecting the DAO to legal laws and regulations. Prepare for potential hard forks. Finally, be prepared for potential hard forks in case of a DAO takeover by malicious actors. Have a plan in place to create a new version of the DAO that excludes these actors, if needed. Remember, this guide is just a starting point. Each DAO is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. Regularly revisit and revise your DAO's governance model and protective measures, taking into account the evolving needs of its community and the broader blockchain landscape.